I was trying to be inconspicuous because I have a headlight out again. Freaking got water in it. So I just installed new taillights. Now I gotta install new headlights. So, I'm going to the Walmart. I'm like, oh god, every cop is here. I will zoom in. My zoom sometimes makes things blurry, and it's like 10,000 degrees of windiness. It's 21. The wind is blowing at 21 miles an hour. In an hour, it's going to be going up to 25 miles an hour. So that makes my truck vibrate. Plus, I don't have steady hands. But they don't like this guy. I don't know what he did, but I don't know what he did. Oh, sorry about the blurriness. That was a car that drove by. Oh, God, I can't hold still. Anyway, I'm gonna zoom out again because it's hard to hold the camera still. Yeah. That's a cop SUV, I think, over there. Undercover. And then two regular ones. Just in case you were wondering. It's 2 a.m. Well, technically Friday morning, but Thursday night. Oh yeah! Hey, you wanna see birds? Oh dang, it's too dark. I'll leave them out. Look at all these birds. They're just hanging out. They're not even flying. They're like, fuck this. We're not sitting in the trees. The trees are too windy, and the wind, the branches are blowing around, and we can't even sleep. So we're just gonna sit here in the parking lot, because we hate trees right now. Isn't that cute? They're really birds. I don't know if you can tell. Some of them are, oh shit, don't do that. Some of them are sitting on the shopping carts. Most of them are just on the ground. They're not even doing nothing. They're just like, it's like they're sleeping. It's so cute. I want to open my door and make them move. They're not even moving. They're on a row. They're all like, most of them are facing the same direction. It's just crazy to me. It's so funny. It's like they're getting ready to march. Like, hold still. Not time yet. So cute. So cute. Oop, there's some movement. From the wind because it's so windy. They're usually in the trees, but they're not going in the trees. Oop, we have movement. Oh no, they stopped picking. They're so cute. There's more birds over here by this truck. be a lot of poop in here. I guess I don't want that. No, definitely don't want that. But I feel bad for the little guys. They're trying to get away from this wind. Poor little things. Okay, one more review of the situation at Walmart, and then I'll let you guys go. Still talking. Okay, well, have a good day. Bye, everyone.